In this Map Suite MVC Edition sample app walkthrough, we're going to show you how you can add a pop-up to the map. A pop-up is just like this window being displayed here that can give some information about a certain point on the map. In this case, we're filling our pop-up with some HTML, with an image and a link, and we've got a little scroll bar here, and then a close window to remove the pop-up once we're done looking at it. So this sample is pretty simple, and it just loads the pop-up at runtime, but of course you may want to load pop-ups when the user clicks on the map or does other operations, and that's all quite possible. But this sample is just to get you exposed to using the pop-ups and give you a general idea of what's available to you. So let's take a look at the source code here so we can see how to use the pop-up. In this case, we're going to go ahead and add the map to the page, set the map unit, set the current extent to zoom into the United States, and then add our world map kit WMS web overlay so we have a base map to work with in this sample. And then in here is where we're dealing with the pop-ups. So you can add multiple pop-ups if you like. In this case we're only adding one, and we're going to go ahead and define where that pop-up's at by creating a point shape at this longitude and latitude coordinate. And then we're going to build up the HTML that we want to be displayed into the pop-up. And we're just going to use that by appending this HTML together, and then finally setting that to the assigning that to the pop-up a little bit later. So as you can see, pop-ups do take HTML, which is really neat because you can put images in there, hyperlinks, and do all sorts of styling, that you need for your particular application. Once you have your HTML done, the last thing you need to do is just assign that HTML via the cloud pop-up property, along with some name, the position, the size. You can I usually turn auto size on the true, so it'll allow the pop-up to grow automatically. And then it'll also, if you want to use auto pan, it'll auto pan the map so the pop-up is displayed on there as well. And you can also control the close button too with the true or false if you want to allow the user to close it out, or if you want to make it to where it has to be there. So I would invite you to look at all the different properties off of the cloud pop-up, because you can do a lot of different things with it, and it's a pretty powerful object to use within Map Suite. This sample is just scratching the surface. It's what's possible with pop-ups, but I hope it gives you a good idea of how you could utilize it within your application. I hope this sample app walkthrough has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, or you can post your questions directly on our discussion forum at ThinkGeo.com/forums. Thank you for watching.